Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to earn money with Cashyy. This is the homepage of the application, where you earn by playing games, similar to Moneywell app, MoneyRar app and Misplay so fair in this channel. You can pick any game that you can earn coins with. I choose the most paying coin game for more coins and faster money. These are the payment methods to withdraw your coins with. Probably the same like in my other videos. If you are new, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload on my YouTube channel, and the link for Cashyy will be in description. My previous similar app videos will be in description as well. Watch the end of the video for the withdrawal requirement amount to withdraw your coins to real life money. Sorry guys, I accidentally clicked the back button and it closed the app. I did this a few times.